This is Jeff Sweenor's workshop, and the railings he's making for us are called Chippendale, named for the famous cabinet maker Thomas Chippendale. It's also a railing system that was used by Thomas Jefferson on his house Monticello, and we're hoping that they are going to make a big statement for us. Hey, Jeff.
Hey, Kevin, how are you?
All right, nice shop you've got here, huh? This is great. So Chippendale today, huh?
Chippendale.
When I look at this design, it actually feels very contemporary,
Yeah.
Even though it's got a much older history.
Yeah, sure does. It came from ancient Chinese history, and it was brought to England by Thomas Chippendale, a cabinet maker. And then he sort of modernized the patterns, and we think it's going to make a great statement in our Idea House.
And let's talk about the pattern, because it's sort of like what makes a Chippendale a Chippendale. I mean, you see these very distinctive rectangular shapes.
Correct. Yeah, everything works off of the center, so you have a diagonal cross in the center, and then everything works outboard of that.
And as you say, on those diagonals, whereas normally we're doing these balustrade and they're either vertical or horizontal, but not in this case.
Correct.
So how did you lay all this out?
So we start we laid it all out on cardboard.
So you're doing this by hand?
We did it by hand.
Wow,
yeah.
okay.
So we've got a post-to-post measurement. So at the house, we've set our newel post, one here and one here.
Yeah.
We take our measurement, and then we transfer the whole thing onto the cardboard, so that way we can get the layout correct.
And then we can see that there is a perimeter frame, which we saw built over there, and then you literally start with these diagonals?
Yep. The first piece, the most important piece, is the main cross.
Okay.
And the way that is fastened is with a half-lap joint. So that gives it the railing strength, and then it gives us a point of attachment for all of the repeating legs.
And that's when the infill starts?
Correct.
So what have you got here for infill?
Yeah, so we've got all the different pieces. I labeled them so that we can put them in.
I got a C right here.
We got a D, C.
Yeah, check that out. And a B. Look at that. So you got more of these to do?
Yep. Okay, we're going to start with the small one first.
That's the right one. So you just left these long.
We left them long, and then we'll trim the whole assembly off in the table saw.
Okay. This one coming in. Got it.
All right, now we need to cut the overhangs off. So what we've done is we've cut a piece of 3/4 inch plywood that fits exactly in our frame, and then we're going to mount temporarily the railing to it, and that's going to act as our sled, so that way we can run it through the table saw to trim off the edges.
Nice. Look at that.
And we're going to dry fit it first. It's going to be snug.
It is.
It goes pretty nice though, huh?
Boy, doesn't it? That's awesome.
So we can blind fasten all of these into this sub rail. Let's get it to the house. And this is going to go on this horizontal balcony section.
All right.
I got some blocks in there to set it on temporarily.
It's good though. Nice fit. Sharp. Look at that, huh?
So how we're going to finish it is we've got rail cap plowed out.
Yep.
The rail cap's going to fit over that sub rail,
Yep.
tie right into there, and then we've got a decorative cap that matches the profile of this rail. It's going to go around it.
Beautiful.
So that's the horizontal section. Now the vertical section, we've got to set 2 newel posts, and then we're going to build the same panel on the same slope as the stairs.
Wow. And then this is going to be painted off for finish?
It's going to be painted.
Well, if you were looking to make a statement, you're going to make one.
All right.
That thing is beautiful. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.